Hello, welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. In this channel, I show you guys the progress that I make with a Python program, my first Python program, with a goal to gain some passive income by doing automated trading on the Nasdaq market. And in a daily report, I tell you guys what the progress is, what did I change in the code, and how did the bot do on the market. And this is a new day. So let's see what we did. And to start with, we're going to take a look at the code as usual. And this is the code, and it's a nice piece of code. And this is a code made by me and have a lot of comments. And this is the main, and this is contracts where I do the strategy and make everything happen for the contracts. But I didn't change anything in the code today. Like yesterday, it is a slow day. And people tell me, and everyone on YouTube tell you, if you want to make a good channel, you have to engage with your audience and you have to make some good videos and not those boring stuff. But this is a boring video because there's nothing to report. Let's take a look at the code we did, and let's take a look at the bot. And if we look at the bot, we see we had 896 candles, and the bot is running since yesterday morning, yesterday night, 12:15. So it's running for 2 consecutive days now. And we have nothing to report about. There is nothing going on. And if we forget about the bot and look at the market, then we see that the market has moved down. And there is some movement going down, okay. But this is not enough for the bot to react. I was watching this afternoon after this downing and how the bot would react, because this is a nice, profitable opportunity if you opened at this point, and not at this point. The bot should have opened somewhere around here at this point. But then you see it goes flat, it goes sideways, and then it goes down again and then back up. So I was following the bot to see what he does. And if you look at the bot, you see we use the MACD line and the signal line, and to make a sell, these MACD line should be smaller than the signal line, and that didn't happen. Even that the market went down, it did not went down large enough to trigger a sell, and it only triggers a sell when the MACD conditions are right, and when these small lines are still there. The MACD is calculated about the last 26 candles, and then the signal line also another 9 candles extra. So there is nothing to see, and the calculations will function, but will not be big enough to actually trigger a sell. So nothing happened today. It's again a waiting game until something happens. So I think the market will go down, but we have to wait until the market actually goes down in a more aggressive form than this slowly going down. And until then, the bot won't react and won't make a position. And that's what we wanted. That's what we're trying to do for the last couple of months, is to get this bot to stay and don't do anything while there's nothing in the market to do. So it functions, but it also means there's nothing to tell you guys about what is going on in the market. It's slow. It's a slow market day again. So we will see what tomorrow will bring. But I don't expect anything spectacular tomorrow. Maybe on Thursday, then there will be some action. But for tomorrow, I don't think that anything's going to happen. I don't think so. But if you want to be there, then you should subscribe. Then you know when I post a new video. Until then, just like this video. That's good. Then I know that this is a good job and you like the videos that I post. And if you want to talk to me about the bot, you can leave a comment. Of course, always comments. I will react to all the comments I get, especially the ones telling me if I'm doing a good job or if I'm doing a bad job. And if you want to talk to me about the bot and ask more questions than just leaving a comment, then you're welcome to join me at my Discord server. I will leave a link in the description. And if the market has more action, then I will broadcast the bot by Twitch, and then you need the Twitch link. I will leave that one in the description too. And if you feel to support me, you feel free to support me. I have a Patreon account, also a link in the description, but I don't expect anyone to actually support me on Patreon. But if you want to, feel free, just do what you like. And then all I have to say for today is have a little fun every day. See you guys tomorrow.